Do you ever find yourself seeking validation and confidence from external sources? Are you tired of feeling unsure of your own worth and constantly seeking approval from others? It's time to unleash your inner power and cultivate self-validation and unshakable confidence. Step 1. Embrace self-awareness. Take the time to understand your strengths, weaknesses, and values. Acknowledge that your worth does not depend on the opinions of others. Step 2. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Embrace your imperfections and learn from your mistakes. Remember, you are only human. Step 3. Set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements, big or small. Recognize your accomplishments and give yourself credit for your hard work and progress. You deserve it. Step 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out supportive friends, mentors, and role models who believe in your potential. Their encouragement and guidance will bolster your confidence. Step 5. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with empowering affirmations. Repeat statements such as "I am enough" and "I believe in myself" to reprogram your mind for success. Step 6. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Prioritize self-care activities that recharge your spirit and boost your confidence. Exercise, meditate, journal, find what works for you. Step 7. Step outside your comfort zone regularly. Embrace new experiences and face your fears. Each challenge conquered will strengthen your belief in your abilities. Remember, self-validation and confidence come from within. You have the power to determine your worth and believe in yourself. When you unlock that inner strength, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.